This guide walks you through setting up two Postgres database containers using Docker for the Elevisio course. By the end, you will have two running databases matching my environment exactly. Container port image Elevisio-PG5433:5432 Postgres:16PG_content 5432:5432 Postgres:16-Alpine. Prerequisites. Before starting, make sure you have the following installed on your machine. Docker Desktop. Docker Desktop, Windows/macOS/Linux. Terminal. A terminal. PowerShell, CMD, or Bash. Disk space. At least 2 GB of free disk space. Download Docker Desktop. Visit https://www.docker.com/products/docker-desktop and download the installer for your operating system. Follow the on-screen instructions. After installation, open Docker Desktop and wait until it shows Engine Running in the bottom left corner. Step 1. Pull the PostgreSQL image. Open a terminal and run the following command to download the PostgreSQL 16 image from Docker Hub. Docker pull Postgres:16. You should see output similar to 16: pulling from library/Postgres. Status: downloaded newer image for Postgres:16. Note: if you already have the image, Docker will say image is up to date. That is perfectly fine. Step 2. Create the Elevisio database container. This container runs the main Elevisio application database on port 5433. Run the following command: docker run -d /name elevisio-pg /e postgres_user equals postgres /e postgres_password equals your password /e postgres_db equals elevisio /p 5433 5432 /postgres:16. PowerShell. Docker run -d -name pg_content -e postgres_user equals postgres -e postgres_password equals your password -e postgres_db equals pg_content -p 5432 5432 Postgres:16-Alpine. Command breakdown. -d runs the container in detached background mode. -name elevisio-pg gives it a friendly name. -e sets environment variables: username, password, database name. -p 5433 5432 maps your local port 5433 to the container's 5432. Note: replace your password with the password provided by your instructor, or your own for this course. Step 3. Create the content database container. This container runs the content database on port 5432. Run the following command. PowerShell, one line, docker run -d -name pg_content -e postgres_user equals postgres -e postgres_password equals your password -e postgres_db equals pg_content P5432:5432 Postgres :16-Alpine Docker run -d note : This uses the Alpine variant, which is a smaller, lightweight image, ideal for development. Step 4. Verify both containers are running. Note: you can use the Docker desktop and click on the play button to start your container. Confirm both containers are active. Docker PS. You should see both containers listed with their respective ports. We will continue with our installation in the next section, where we will be installing Visual Studio Community Edition free. Go to Google and search for Visual Studio Community Edition, or go to https://visualstudio.microsoft.com/free-developer-offers/. Download both Visual Studio and Visual Studio Code. We will walk through installation in the next section. See you there.